Hi team, I just wanted to do a quick check-in. I hope that you are ready for semester 2 and are working on updating those team member tabs. Just a quick reminder that if you are a visual or like to read through the documents, you can always go to your groups and to the Student Services webpage. In Resources, scroll down to the Infinite Campus Training Tools link, and it will take you to this document that has hyperlinks for different pieces of the SPED documents form. The one that we want to look at today is the Add Team Members. And this lays out step by step how to do team members appropriately. I'll also walk you through briefly in this video, so if you want to see and hear how it looks versus just the document. And so we have our student largemouth bass senior. We looked him up. We went to his SPED general to get to the team members tab. And we need to find and link new team members for semester 2. So when you click on that, you'll get this little drop-down box at the bottom. Census is for all family members, so make sure that guardians and student are added as team members. Their caseload role will remain blank. Same with our gen ed teachers. They will remain blank for the caseload role. Classroom teachers, once your students have a schedule built, you'll see classroom teachers for the semester listed in this drop-down tab. You can click on there to add them. If you're not finding a team member that's a special ed team member, just go to the SPED staff, find your person. If it's yourself, make sure you're marking yourself as case manager and adding that team member. When you're looking and you see, oh, this person does not work with them anymore, make sure that you end. I didn't save it, so that's why it came up. That's your notice that if you did not save yourself. But put that end date as of today for team members that no longer apply. So teachers that were teachers first semester but are no longer a teacher second semester. If there are old service providers listed that are no longer current service providers, principals, social workers, psychs, make sure that only current staff are listed. And it's so important that we update these team member tabs because this is how they pull our FTEs. When they were starting the review process on Friday, I was getting notifications from the DAS team that we are missing team members, and that's going to affect our FTE allotments if we don't have people marked as case manager and service providers appropriately. So again, make sure you have your gen ed teachers listed on here. Caseload role again is going to be that blank. That's how they can see the IEP once it is locked. If it is expired, they may not be able to see it, so that's why it's important to make sure that IEPs are finished before the old expires. Make sure that speech teachers are included, itinerant staff, so PT, OT, DAPE, PI. Make sure those itinerant staff members within District 281 are included, as well as 287 staff such as blind and vision, deaf and hard of hearing, educational audiologists. make sure those team members are included as service providers. If you have questions, please reach out to either Andrea or I, and we will help you navigate getting your team member tabs updated. Thank you.